Welcome home to Penthouse 1 at Northview Landing in the Kensington and Cedar Cottage neighborhood. This spectacular unit is over 1,000 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, plus a flex room. The open floor plan features beautiful hardwood floors that flow effortlessly from the living room to the dining room and onto the spectacular 750 square foot rooftop patio. Create beautiful meals in your gourmet kitchen, complete with stainless steel appliances, while entertaining guests at your large granite topped island. All 3 bedrooms are generously sized with plenty of closet space, while both bathrooms showcase custom cabinetry, high-quality finishings, stone countertops, and deep soaker tubs. The incredible rooftop patio is perfect for starting a garden and has enough room to host family and friends while enjoying the unobstructed views of the city, clear to the Northshore mountains. This suite is complete with in-suite laundry, secured underground parking, and a storage locker. Conveniently located, just a short walk to the revitalized Brewers Park, and just a short drive to the community center at Trout Lake, or shopping at Kensington Gardens. This home is truly special.